In this video, I will guide you how to hide apps in Windows 11. We will move with three methods to do so. The first method is simply right click on desktop, go to view, and here you will see show desktop icons is turned on. Just uncheck it, and from the screen all the apps will be hidden. Now to make them reappear, you can right click on it, go to view, and click on show desktop icons. This was the first method, but if you want to hide any single application from your desktop, then just right click on the application you want to hide and click on delete. So this basically do not uninstall your application, but instead removes the shortcut from your desktop. To recover it, you can go to recycle bin and click on restore. Now the third method is to select an application, right click on it, go to properties, go to general, and here in attributes you will see hidden. Just check this box and then click on apply, click on continue, and click on OK. To restore these applications, you have to go to File Explorer and then to desktop. The folder is currently empty, but we still have the applications in our desktop. So for that, click on View, click on Show, and then Hidden Items. This will restore the hidden item that you had in your PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.